Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you YouTube Studio white screen and not working problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. YouTube total views and monetization and earn option not showing problem. Okay, let's get started. First, long tap your YouTube Studio app and tap on I button. Scroll down, tap on storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back, tap on force stops. Okay, scroll up. Now tap on permission option and first to last all permission. First camera, allow back, and second microphone, allow back, and notification turn on or enable notification option. Okay, back, and go to your Google Play Store or App Store, search YouTube Studio. Now tap on YouTube Studio. Now update your YouTube Studio. Waiting a few minutes and updating complete, and install your YouTube Studio app. And now check your internet Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and open your YouTube Studio app. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.